to ask before we started if my face looks okay.
You look slightly odd, but you know.
Oh, I forgot. I was doing an experiment before I started this.
And you were wearing them like that? Are you going to wear them for this experiment?
No.
No. Okay, fine.
Mad goggles.
Okay. Hi, science fans.
Hi.
Welcome to Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie, the mad one.
the mad scientist. We're back with another experiment from Frightful First Experiments by Galt.
Galt is a good company.
Galt, yeah. From their Horrible Science range. So this one's got 18 experiments in it. And we are on number 3.
Wait, there's another note here.
Oh, what does it say?
I can't read this writing.
Okay.
I have to read it.
It says, well done, you completed Professor Large's water mix-up. That was our last video. Here's your jigsaw piece. Okay, so do you want to join that up to what we've got
I
already?
think this one goes right here.
Okay, snazzy. So we're starting to get a bit of a picture.
Yeah.
See how you get on with experiment 3, which is Baron Frankenstein's I'm in a Spin. It says this one won't be so easy. Ha ha ha. From Baron Frankenstein.
I'm in a spin.
I'm in a spin.
Well,
so,
this one looks quite easy.
Well, it does look quite easy. So what you need is a plastic spinner.
Here.
And a card disc with 7 rainbow colours.
Got it.
Yeah. So what you need to do is you need to push the disc on top of the spinner.
Oh, right, yeah.
There we go.
That it.
Basically, and then you need to spin it.
Okay. Oh, what's it meant to do?
Right, so let me have a go.
What's it actually meant to do?
Let's see if we can do it a bit faster. Oh, I keep catching my nose.
What's it meant to
Hang
do?
on.
Okay.
Right, what colour can you
Wow.
see?
Blue.
Blue? Do you think?
Blue and red. Blue, red, blue, red,
You
blue,
think
red,
blue, red. I think black, white, black, white.
No, I see blue, red, blue, red,
Do you?
blue, red. With a hint of yellow. Shall I try it?
Go on then. Oh,
Whoops. Maybe not that speedy. Oh. Nope, you'll have to do it.
nope. It's quite tricky actually. Keeps
Put
getting...
it on the ground. And then spin it.
See, that's not fast enough to do it. What you can see there is all the colours mixing up. But if you can go fast enough, there.
That's blue red.
That's
for
blue
me.
red, you think? It's supposed to be white grey.
Right, white, grey.
Because as you remember when we talked to the last experiment, when all the colours mix together, you get white or black.
Mm-hmm. No, that's solid, almost blue for me. Am I hallucinating from those
No,
mad
but
signs?
that looks white and black, doesn't it?
No, to me that still looks blue and red.
Oh, you've got the wrong eyes.
Have I? Can you actually have the wrong eyes?
No, I'm joking. So as it slows down, it's going blue-red. Well, blue, red and yellow, that you can see the primary colours. But
No,
when
it was blue, red, yellow from the start.
Oh, okay.
I never saw black and white.
There.
Now I can't see black and white. All I can see is blue and red with a hint of yellow.
Okay. So I think when it first started, really fast. Oh, my fingernails are too long is the problem.
Ow! Maybe I need some protection. Is this the right way to put this on?
So Baron Frankenstein was right. This one isn't so easy. What do you think?
I can't see.
You can't see black and white.
You're not even going fast enough now.
No.
Put it on the...
Well, I was wondering if I might get a better... No.
No! That's worse.
There. Look,
No!
look. Black and white, black and white, black
That's
and white.
blue and red.
Oh,
That's solid blue and red.
well, I saw black and white.
I did not. Do you think we'll
What did
get
you
it?
see, science fans? Did you see black and white?
Or did you see red and yellow?
Well,
not red and yellow, red and
definitely when it was really fast. Let's see if I can do it again. There.
blue. No. That's not black.
That looks like white and black to me.
That's not white and black.
Okay. All right. Well, we're just going to have to agree to disagree.
Agreed.
Anyway, that is the colour. So what happens, why it's doing it, is that whatever colours you're seeing, you're not seeing that, are you?
No.
No. So
Oh wait, I was seeing red.
Yeah, but you weren't seeing all of the colours.
No.
So because it's spinning around so quickly, your eyes are putting all the colours together. Yeah.
To make
So well, your brain is, your eyes are, and your brain are putting all the colours together. So, and as we've talked about before, when you put all the colours together, you get black.
But I don't see that. What's wrong with me?
Well, maybe because you've got young eyes, you're still being able to differentiate a bit.
No, I don't see black and white. All I see is flashing red and blue with a hint of purple and a hint of yellow.
Okay, well maybe that's because you've got young eyes. Maybe I need to get it to go really fast. What do you see there?
I still see blue and red.
Okay, well, but you're not seeing all of the colours, yeah? No. So your brain and your eyes are putting it together, and they're just giving you one colour.
Not for me. It's different colours.
So
not all of them.
So that's what's happening. All right.
So is that it?
That's the experiment. So it was a sort of, it worked for me with my old eyes.
Old eyes.
Because that looks white and grey to me.
No.
But for your young eyes, it doesn't. So that says people can see the same thing and it looks different. What do you reckon? Anyway, so what do you want to score this one?
Can I go first?
Yes.
I'm gonna give this one. Okay. I'm gonna give this one a 6.5.
Oh yeah, I was gonna go 6.
Is this the right way around?
Yeah.
6.5.
Okay, I'm gonna go 6. Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna go 6.
Okay.
Oh, I broke.
Oh, you broke your jigsaw.
Oh no.
That's no good. So tell me, whilst I'm putting this back together, tell me why you made it 6.
Because I mean, it wasn't the most exciting experiment.
No.
And it was really quick, which I know most people like.
Blech.
Ow!
Mm-hmm.
It was quite hard as well.
It's quite hard to get it spinning. There we go.
Baron Frankenstein was right.
He was right, yeah. Okay, anything else?
Because I mean, it didn't even work for me. Like right now, it's spinning so fast, I don't see black and white.
Well, I don't see black and white now.
Well, spin it really fast again, just one more time.
Just right at the beginning is when you see black and white. Oh, that's not fast enough.
No. That's mostly blue with a bit of red.
Okay, all right. So, anything else you want to say about it?
No.
Okay.
You?
So, mostly the same reasons as you. It was really simple, so that's a good thing. And it had some good science in it. But it was a bit tricky to get this thing to spin.
Yeah.
Especially if you've got grown-up fingers.
Do you want me to try?
Yeah.
I haven't tried. Whoa.
You got to get it to go really fast. There, look.
That's not black and
Oh,
white.
see, I think that's black.
That's not.
So I don't know whether we're going to get a jigsaw piece for this one or not.
We might
because it sort of worked.
Because you got it right,
Mm.
so maybe they'll have to have a discussion about it.
Definitely white and grey.
Definitely blue and red.
All right, so we're going to be arguing about this for ages, science fans.
Yeah.
Anyway, so remember, if you like what we're doing here...
But we can't argue for it for too long because we've only got a week.
Oh yeah, that's true. Then tune into our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe.
And we'll be back next time with another experiment from the Frightful First Experiments box. Bye for now.
Bye. Oh my God.